Park, but we have to actually tell you about what we are doing, okay? Then we will go with the waterway from the mechanical part to our primary sedimentation, aeration tanks. You will see the pilot site, and then we will stop with like around the secondary sedimentation. Yes. So now, Skip, let's go.
Let's go. Buddy bugs. It's warm. It's got a very variable temperature. Like my hometown, it's like this during monsoons. It's cold and rainy, but in the plains, it's very hot. It's very hot. It's like 45 degrees. It's very like I was sweating before I was coming here, and straight up into the cool.
Different projects both on there's a guy coming with a truck upgrading the biogas. So we have the treatment part here, and then we have the sludge going to the digesters, and then we have biogas in two streams. So we have upgrading. What you see here, the high towers there, that's the traditional upgrading of the beans. So the biogas comes in, and then you split it up in CO2 and methane. So that can go out. The methane can go out to the natural gas grid. Then we've had this project with the methanation, where we are adding hydrogen. So hydrogen and CO2 and some bacteria in a reactor. Not bacteria, sorry, here. Microorganisms. They can actually form methane from this. So it's where we talk a lot about the power to X. So these days, this is power to gas. So electricity actually forms new gas with CO2. We have been doing this since 2014, and with a company called and they were very successful. They are now building a full-scale plant for this thing, and the reactor is still there. And now there's another company trying to make raw material for production of plastics and so on. It's actually acetate as a raw material, so you can actually make acetate out of CO2 and hydrogen with a bacteria activity. So this lot of things.
Windmills are so big. 50 or 60% of the energy is generated by windmill in Denmark.
You see when we landed in the ocean? It's windmill.
Yeah, I did not. I landed at night.
They have like a lot of.
Here, as you can see, the water actually from the grid chambers and the sand chambers are coming here. They are mixed here together actually with the biological sludge here. And then the sludge is from the tanks for this sedimentation tanks is directed to our digesters. And here you can also see that in the background there is like a little house with the grey roof or the dark grey roof. This is where the filters are. This one from the Valga project, this pre-filtration system. And they were in operation in a way that they took the out of the duty one of those circles actually. Yeah? 35% of the 20% of the flow. So the water here is sedimented, and then the sludge is going directed to get the energy out of it, and the water is directed through the heat pump there. Aeration tank. And then we can go to the aeration tank. have the aeration tanks, and as you can see, they are working in very wide. Usually in the aeration zone, the other is in that not anaerobic zone, with the DM zone. We have bottom aeration installed in this plant. There are two houses that are where the turbines are, like they are like jet turbines. If you can, yeah, if they are starting here, nearly like the jumbo jet is flying away. This is like the way. They are, you can see they're like 10,000 cubic meters each, so we have a capacity of 80,000 cubic meters here. And they are yeah, working in parways, four lines, 8 tanks here. Yes, what else? Yeah, I think okay. Yeah, but yeah, usually we also talk about that this biodynamictwo, but Dina specific.
Song hag. Yeah, hag.
Iron dose makes another dirt because we are removing phosphorus with iron.
Wing. Yeah. There is a. This is where we can actually test the new things, new installations. This is what we call living lab, where we can actually have a container with some different types of technology down here, so that they can connect actually to the water that is actually transported. There is like a basement here that actually we pump the water from the before the biological, so after the mechanical processes, we can also get the effluent water here and the process water, so they can actually, the company on the university that we are working together can just come here, and it's like kind of a plug and play system that you can actually connect to the container and the check, okay, this is how it works, and then they can actually check it on our system. Right now we don't have that many, because the project Vaga that I was talking about is just finished like half a year ago, but our 2 pilot plants will come in a month, so it will get slowly. To sum up, this is where the water ends, kind of, in our process, treatment process. This is the secondary clarifiers, where you actually, yeah, it's not the same as what we are doing in the primary, but just with the cleaner water. The water then it's kind of sedimented from the separated from the sludge. Sludge is returned to with the pumps back to those place where we stand in the beginning, and then the water is pushed to the pumps, sediment to the pumps, and then it's getting into the sea.